Understanding injector time can help troubleshoot running faults. Injector time is measured in milliseconds and is the amount of time the ECU grounds the injector circuit. The longer an injector is grounded, the more fuel it injects. A Kohler EFI engine with minimal load commonly has injector time less than 10 milliseconds. An engine with heavy load commonly has injector time of 10 milliseconds or more. Observing high injector time with lean running symptoms is an indication of a fuel delivery problem. Test the fuel pressure and fuel delivery to the high-pressure fuel pump. Maximum injector duration is based on engine model and other sensor inputs such as RPM and throttle position. Observing low injector time with rich running conditions is an indication of unmetered fuel entering the combustion chamber. Possible causes include the fuel pump module or evap system flooding the vent line into the throttle body and/or fuel-contaminated engine oil. Another possible cause is an air intake restriction such as the safety filter installed incorrectly or something a little more unusual, like this sock.